In this video I give you an overview about the unified endpoint management solution for Matrix 32. Let's start the console with a desktop link or with the taskbar here. And we see we have a web page here. So it's based on the HTML5 web technology. So it can be used on every desktop web browser or even mobile browser that supports HTML5. And for the mobile devices, we support the responsive design too. And we support the single sign-on, so I'm directly automatically logged in as a Vincent Valentine user here. By default, we're starting with a self-service portal. With the application picker, you can see all the different applications we have here in the Matrix 32 solution. Our theme today is the Unified Endpoint Management, so I click on this application and I'm now directly on the landing page for the Unified Endpoint Management. On the right-hand side, we do have some dashboards that gives you a direct overview about the system. Maybe you do have a new agent and you want to see how much PCs have this new agent version right now. Maybe you have some installation results, some failures, etc. So you have real-time view directly in these dashboards. If you need some other dashboards or maybe do not want to see all the dashboards, it's possible for sure for your company to change this look and feel for the dashboards for your own look and feel. On the left-hand side, we do have the navigation items in the system, and it is possible to reduce these navigations items to the navigations items you just want to see by default in your company, so that you do not see some special navigation items and disable them globally. On the other hand, you can reduce these navigation items, the view on them, by the write and scroll models, so that only special persons are able to see the different navigation items to reduce the things your end users should see. In this video, we have all the navigations items up and running for sure. Let's go directly to the endpoint devices. Here you can see all the different endpoint devices we support here in our Unified Endpoint Management. Where these data came from, for the server and clients, we using the client lifecycle management system behind, normally from Matrix 32, but even we support other solutions here. And we have the mobile devices. These informations came from our enterprise mobility management system. Again, we support here our own and some different other systems here, for instance Intune. We have the opportunity to do some actions on these devices. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter if this is a mobile device or even a PC or something else. For sure, the actions differ from the operating system. Here you can, for instance, block a system, you can lock a system, or you can reset the pin, etc., or do some other actions, for instance, a remote assistance, and so on and so on. And again, even here you are able to reduce this view depending on the rights and role model in our system. And this works for both for desktop and servers and for the mobile devices. And this is the reason why we are talking about the unified endpoint management. So every device needs an operating system, and focusing on more the clients and the servers, we offer in our web front end the traditional unattended installation method for Windows. For sure, we do this for long term in Matrix 32. Here the boot configurations, installation sources, etc. And we support the modern autopilot functionality from Microsoft. This means that the operating system still resides on the client, and only the user settings will be disabled. So if you reset a PC, you do not have the unattended installation. That takes a little bit more time for sure, but only the user settings will be deleted and the new settings come with a new user. On the other hand, we need software on the clients. Doesn't matter if mobile or desktop clients, we need software to use these software on these devices. And here we have the software distribution area, and at first you can have again a dashboard environment where you can see what application has been installed mostly, etc. Here you can see the software packages that are available in the system. Means these are the software packages you have created by your own, or you're using our package cloud for some software packages, so you do not have any work to create these software packages, but they are completely ready to use in our package cloud, and you can directly use them. So even these packages came up here, the software packages, and you can use them. Now we have the devices and the software packages, the operating system stuff, etc. And these all come together in the assignments. Here you can create your assignments and group, for instance, software in one special assignment, for instance, for software for marketing or for sales, etc. And then you can add clients to these assignments. So we can check out, for instance, this assignment, what's going on here. So fully completed. You see the devices that are right now in this assignment, only one PC right now, and the objects means the software or even the applications for mobile devices. And this makes life much more easier, so you can create one time an assignment for marketing or for sales or something else, and if someone starts in your company in this department, you just bring in his PC manually in this assignment, or maybe through an automated process, maybe through the new employee process started from our self-service portal or something else. And that's the overview about our system. One thing to talk about is these informations for the endpoint devices came from additionally from asset management. Means we do have these machines in our asset management too. Again, came from the client lifecycle management or the enterprise mobility management system. And here you see more asset information than in the normal client lifecycle management systems. And even you can use them, for instance, the location or something else, to do an assignment for PCs that are in a special location. So these informations came from the asset management you can use in your unified endpoint management environment. So this makes sense in every case to use our unified endpoint management together with the asset management on all the other solutions from Matrix 32. That's it through our unified endpoint management. Thank you very much.